This is how to remove a center console off a 2004 E55. It's kind of taken apart already, but it'll just give you an idea how it works. So you start off with the boot. You're gonna have to pry it up on the sides with like a plastic prying tool, but this one's already off, so it just comes off. And then you would have to twist that plastic cap and just pull up, and it will come off of this. Next, you would have 4 bolts, 2 T25 I believe, and 2 T20 torx. And then the sides come off. You just pull it forward. These are already off, so that's why it's so easy right now. Then you have 2 T25 torx on the side. This one's already off, so once you take these off, okay, next there's gonna be, I think, or T20 torx on this. So we already took that off, so there's 2 of them. Okay, so then you open the center console and you pull out the carpet, and then you have to pull out this plastic trim. Under that there's, I think, 2 more T25 torx. Alright, usually I would lift both sides one at a time and they would come off. It's kind of tricky to take out, but that's what it is. Okay. And right here you have 2 torx, or 2 T25 torx screws. Then you're just gonna have to disconnect all of those cables, but the center console will lift out. This is only for 2003, 2004 E-Class. 05, 06 are already different. And that's how you get to what is a shifter? Forgot what it's called already.